A medication-assisted treatment facility is normally an outpatient addiction treatment center where medication is used in addition to the regular counseling support that is traditional for treatment. Methadone is the oldest and the most tested medication. It's a long-acting opioid, and most of the opioid people are addicted to a short-acting opioid. But when you put them on a long-acting opioid, which is once-a-day dose, it doesn't get metabolized easily, so it stays long in the whole system. It blocks the euphoria they get from the short-acting opioid. Is to stabilize the patients, make them feel normal again. So we gradually wean them off the methadone when they are ready, and then we send them back into the community, drug-free. When they come in, most of them have no jobs, have lost custodies of their children, broken homes because of the drug use. Majority of our patients have gotten jobs, gainfully employed. Majority of them have gone back to school. There has been considerable reduction in crime. People are no longer pawning their properties just to get money for drug use. In general, really, I would say that medication-assisted treatment has helped our patients and has positively impacted our community.